Welcome to Weather 84. Because to climate change, people in Iran are losing their lives. Flooding in southern Iran caused by torrential rains in an otherwise dry region has reportedly resulted in the deaths of at least 21 people and the disappearance of others, according to official media. Several communities in and around the Esteban region in the southern province of Fars were impacted by flooding, which resulted to the deaths of 21 people and the disappearance of 2 more. The catastrophe took place during a summer weekend in Iran, a time of year when families frequently travel to places with milder temperatures, such as the banks of rivers, lakes or valleys. A number of people who walked ashore and found themselves in the riverbed were caught in floods as a result of the rising water levels. These people included both local residents and tourists. Over the course of the last 10 years, Iran has been afflicted by recurrent droughts in addition to regular floods. The floods are a result of heavy rainfall falling on terrain that has been burnt by the sun. Flooding and landslides have been triggered by excessive rains over 26 provinces of Iran since the middle of July, resulting to an increasing number of deaths. According to accounts from the media, there have been at least 95 fatalities, 200 people are still missing, and many more people have been injured. The Iranian Red Crescent Society has helped more than 78,000 flood victims by providing relief services, transporting 3,562 individuals to safer places, and providing emergency housing for more than 11,212 people. In total, 1,428 villages across Iran have been submerged by floodwaters, 162 transportation lines have been disrupted, and more than 20,000 dwellings have been damaged. Dry weather are expected to prevail over the whole nation during the course of the next 48 hours.